Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe if you haven't. Like if you enjoy this video, share with your family and friends. And today we have an interesting recipe. We're making burgers, but not just your regular burger. This is the ugali burger, inspired by the ugali meal from Kenya. It's more popular in Kenya, where people most likely eat ugali and veggies and a meat or a protein. So it's basically the same concept, but I made it into a burger. So one bite and you get everything. You get a whole meal bite out of the burger. So let's make this meal. The first step is to make the ugali. Ugali is basically maize flour cooked in water to become a meal, to become a whole meal. So this is the process. You basically add water, then the maize meal flour. Then I usually add butter or margarine to it just to make it flavorful. Then what you want to do is just combine this by stirring. Inaitwa kusonga ugali. In Kiswahili, that's what you call it. Kusonga ugali, kusonga sima. Yes, so this is what you want to do. You want to cook it up until it's well cooked. This will take about 30 minutes on medium heat. 30 minutes on medium heat. If you put on too much heat, your ugali will end up burning and it won't be cooked. So you want to give it time until it's this cooked and perfect. Then when it's done, you just want to flip it over to remove it from the sufuria, and your ugali is basically ready. From this, what you want to do is just mold it up to the burger buns. If you have a burger bun molder, you can use that, or go ahead and use your hands. Then the next step is to make the veggie fillings. As usual, burgers have different fillings. So for me, I made a vinaigrette using vinegar, black pepper and sugar. What you want to do is just cook this up, let it boil and simmer to cook. Then what you want to do after this is just drizzle it on your onions or your veggies, the fillings that you'll use for your burger. For me, I used onions, so I'm just stirring up the onions to get all that juiciness. Then we have also other veggies that we use. You use capsicum, the colored capsicum, the carrots, just to cook it up and soften it a bit. Then what you want to do is now do the layering of your burger. So here we have some steamed cabbage, some prawns and beef strips. This is a beef and prawn burger. Then we made some tomato sauce, homemade tomato sauce there for our burgers. Then what you want to do is just drizzle this on top of your meats or your protein of choice. Then layer your steamed veggies. And this is a perfect burger solution, especially for the kids who do not like eating ugali. Imagine serving this up for your kid. They'll definitely have a taste of this. Then what you want to do is lay it up with your cheese. Cheese and burgers go together, so do not miss this step for your ugali burger. We also put cheese there. We have some mozzarella. Then what you want to do is just pop this up in your oven or your microwave just for the cheese to melt up, and voila, we have our ugali burger there. So tasty, so amazing. This is just a different way to have your ugali mboga, but in a burger form. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Share with your family and friends, and follow me on all social media platforms at Aurelia's Kitchen. See you in the next video. Bye.